Today's featured car of the day is a 1960 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop. And this one had undergone a ground-up restoration, nut and bolt restoration, and was done to a very high standard and came out beautiful, especially being red. Still has the plastic seat covers on it. If some of you remember those from back in the day. But this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And like I said, it was a beauty, that's for sure. If you're not familiar with the Chevys, the Impala, this is part of the second generation, which only went 2 years, 1959 and 1960. The first year being the 58 Impala. That was the first time Chevy used the Impala name for a separate model. And this one was a little bit different than the 59. The 59 had the cat-eyed oval-shaped taillights. This one started off the three-piece taillights that went through 1965. And I'm not exactly sure what engine this one had in it. It could have been a 283 or a 348. You know it's a V8 because it has the cross flags on it. That Chevy always used that to state that it was a V8 engine in the car. And this one had the 4-speed, which was nice. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.